Let's talk about your credit card. It's something we use every day, often without giving it a second thought. But what if your credit card could be more than just a piece of plastic? What if it could be an expression of your personality, the most important rectangle in your wallet? It holds purchasing power and often, a lot of responsibility. Most cards are bland, featuring the same generic bank logos and designs. They're functional but hardly inspiring. But why settle for boring when you customize everything else in your life? From your phone case to your car, you curate your surroundings to reflect who you are. Imagine pulling out a card with your dog's photo, a constant reminder of your furry best friend, or your favorite art, a miniature masterpiece you carry with you, or a design you love, a pattern or image that brings you joy every time you see it. Customized credit cards are becoming mainstream, offering a new way to express yourself, letting you turn a financial tool into a personal statement. It's a subtle way to showcase your interests and passions. The card works the same: chip, tap, swipe, all the standard functionalities remain intact. Online purchases. But now it reflects your style, adding a touch of personality to every transaction. Instead of advertising your bank, which you do for free every time you pull out your card, you're showing off what matters to you, whether it's family, hobbies, or personal values. Personalization is everywhere. From clothing to home decor, we're all seeking ways to make things our own. And banks are finally catching on, recognizing the demand for more personalized financial products. Younger customers especially want products that feel unique, reflecting their individual identities and preferences. A little creative freedom builds loyalty, fostering a stronger connection between customers and their financial institutions, and makes your card more than just a payment method. It becomes an extension of your personal brand. It's about making your financial life feel less corporate, breaking away from the traditional impersonal banking experience, and a lot more personal, injecting a bit of your own identity into your everyday financial transactions. So, you're intrigued by the idea of a personalized credit card, but how does card customization actually work? What are the steps involved in turning your vision into reality? It's easier than you might think. The process is generally quite straightforward. Most banks offer a user-friendly online platform where you can upload a photo directly from your computer or mobile device. Alternatively, you can often pick a pre-designed template through their online portal, browsing through a gallery of options to find one that suits your style. Once you've chosen your image, you'll typically have the option to crop, resize, and carefully position your image within the card's template. And just like that, done. Of course, there are rules. Banks are quite strict about what they allow on their cards. Generally, no copyrighted images and absolutely no offensive or political content. And almost universally, no celebrity photos are permitted. Once you submit your design, the bank reviews your design to ensure it meets their guidelines. And if it's approved, congratulations, you get your custom card delivered right to your mailbox. Now, let's talk about BYOC, Bring Your Own Card. This is a service offered by third-party companies independent of your bank. With BYOC, you send them your existing credit card. Then, using specialized equipment, they carefully transfer the chip and all the associated account information onto a brand new, custom-designed card that you've chosen. These custom cards are sometimes crafted in premium materials like metal, offering a more luxurious feel. BYOC typically gives you significantly more design freedom than going through your bank. However, it's important to remember that you're trusting a third party with your credit card and sensitive information. Think of it like getting a custom skin for your gaming console, but instead, it's for your wallet, adding a touch of personal flair to your everyday essentials. The underlying account stays the same, with all its existing terms and conditions. Only the look changes, giving your card a complete makeover without affecting its functionality. So if your bank doesn't offer the level of customization you're looking for, or perhaps doesn't offer it at all, BYOC could be the next level, offering a way to express your individuality through your credit card. The main draw? Personalization. Your card becomes a daily reminder of what you love, your pet, a goal, or a favorite place. It's a conversation starter and makes your card easy to spot in your wallet. No more grabbing the wrong card at checkout. Custom cards can help you organize your finances visually. You don't lose out on rewards. Many top cards with custom options still offer great perks. The design is just a bonus on top of cashback or travel points. Plus, designing your card is fun and makes finances feel less intimidating. For young adults, it's a way to make credit less scary and more personal. Anything that helps you feel in control of your money is a win. Custom cards aren't perfect. Some banks charge a small fee for replacements. BYOC services can cost $50 to $200. Custom images can fade or scratch faster than standard cards, so you might need replacements sooner. Mailing your card to a BYOC company carries a small security risk. Do your research before sending it off. The approval process can be annoying if your image gets rejected. With BYOC, transferring the chip isn't foolproof. Sometimes the new card won't work as reliably. You're trading some durability and convenience for style. If you're rough on your wallet, expect more wear and tear. For some, the risk and hassle outweigh the fun. It's a balance between aesthetics and practicality. Ready to get a custom card that reflects your personality and style? Here's how you can make it happen. We'll walk you through the process step by step so you can get that personalized card in your hands as soon as possible. First, find a bank that offers customization options for their credit cards. Not all banks do, so this is an important first step. Thankfully, many major issuers do offer this service, so you have a good chance of finding one that suits your needs. Look at some of the bigger names in the banking world. Once you've found a bank, apply for the card, just like you would with any other credit card application. If approved, you can usually design it right away, choosing your own image or design through their online portal or app. After you've finalized your design, the bank will print your custom card and mail it to you. Already have a card with a bank that offers customization? Great! The process is even simpler. Simply log into your account online, find the design tool or customization section, and get started. Upload your chosen image, make any necessary adjustments, and submit your design for approval. The bank reviews your photo to ensure it meets their guidelines and doesn't violate any terms of service. If it's approved, they'll print your new personalized card and send it your way. Now let's talk about qualifications. The requirements are generally the same as for any standard credit card. You need to be at least 18 years of age, have a source of income to demonstrate your ability to repay, and you'll usually need a good credit score to be approved for most custom credit cards. There are typically no extra or special requirements just because you're customizing the card's design. If you're new to the world of credit and don't have much of a credit history, consider starting with a student credit card or a secured credit card to begin building your credit profile. This will help you establish a positive credit history and improve your chances of getting approved for a custom card down the line. So, is getting a custom credit card worth it? If you love personalization and enjoy expressing your individuality, then absolutely yes. It's a fun and unique perk that allows you to carry a little piece of yourself in your wallet. However, if you only care about maximizing rewards and minimizing fees, and you're laser-focused on the financial aspects of credit cards, then customizing your card might be something you can skip. But keep in mind that for a relatively small fee, if there is one, you can transform a boring, everyday necessity into something that's uniquely you and reflects your personal brand.